Now look here students, as you can see, मैं सुबह से ये नज़म याद कर रहा हूँ. Now look at the ending of the sentence. The sentence is ending in raha hu. Okay, so this is telling that it's a continuous sentence. But you can also see that time is present over here. Subah se. So how will you convert it into English? How will you translate it? मैं सुबह से ये नज़म याद कर रहा हूँ. Yes. Tell me in the chat. Yes, Hamad. So what you can say, Hamad? Yes, very good. I have been learning this poem since morning. Very good, very good. Correct. Correct. Ahmad has given correct answer. Now look at the second sentence. तलबा दोपहर से आराम कर रहे हैं. तुलबा दोपहर से आराम कर रहे हैं. What will it be? Again, this is a continuous sentence and time is also given, so it's a present perfect continuous type sentence. So how are we going to translate it, students? Come on, tell me in the chat. Yes, Sohaib is writing. Yes, come on. Come on. No, don't raise your hand, just write in the chat. Yes, very good. Students students have been resting. Students have been resting since afternoon. Very good. Now look at the third sentence. One by one I'm going to ask. You can write in the chat. This option is open for you all. Okay, but I'm going to ask Aisha. Aisha, you tell me. हम एक घंटे से अखबार पढ़ रहे हैं. Yes, Aisha, write in the chat. Come on. हम एक घंटे से अखबार पढ़ रहे हैं. Yes. Very good, Aisha. Very good. We have been reading newspaper since. No, not since. Why? No, you will not use since over here. We will use for. Why? Because the time is given in numbers. Okay. So we are going to say we have been reading newspaper for 1 hour. Now you understand that? Now look at the fourth sentence. वो 2 साल से इस मदरसे में पढ़ रहा है. वो 2 साल से इस मदरसे में पढ़ रहा है. Again a continuous sentence with time given. So who's going to tell? Yes, so many answers are coming. Good. He has been studying in this madrasa, in this madrasa for 2 years. Very good. Why are we using 2 years? For? Because 2 is given. There is no name of time. So that's why we are using 4 over here. Now look at the next sentence. ये नौकर कई सालों से यहाँ काम कर रहा है. ये नौकर. Yes. Good answer, Sohaib. This servant has been working here. यहाँ क्या है? Here. This servant has been working here for many years. कई साल, many years, या several years. Yes, you can also write several over here. There are so many word choices. Now, but we are going to pick up the suitable word for the translation. Okay. Come to the next sentence where I am pointing. मुसाफिर आध घंटे से गाड़ी का इंतजार कर रहे हैं. मुसाफिर आध घंटे से गाड़ी का इंतजार कर रहे हैं. Passengers. What will it be? Students, tell me. Passenger or travelers? Musafir. Yes. Very good. Yes, very good, Hania. Very good. We are going to say passengers, not travelers. Okay. So passengers have been waiting for the car or bus for half an hour. Aadha ghanta, half an hour. For, we will use for over here, for half an hour. Okay, students. Now come to the next sentence. वो 2000 से इस स्कूल में पढ़ रहा है. अगेन इट्स अ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टाइप, वो 2000 से इस स्कूल में पढ़ रहा है. He has been studying in this school since 2000. Okay, why we are using since? Because date of year is present over here, 2000. Okay, now come to the next sentence. क्या वो 2 घंटों से सो नहीं रहा है? See, it's a negative sentence and also a question sentence ending in raha hai, and there is time given. So how are we going to translate it in English? It's a question sentence. वो क्या वो 2 घंटों से सो नहीं रहा है? And now has will come at the start. Have will come at the start. Since he is a singular, so we are going to use has. Has he not sleeping for 2 hours? Okay, now come to the next sentence. क्या सुबह से ओले पड़ रहे हैं? Again it's a question sentence ending in रहे हैं and time is given सुबह से. So how are we going to translate? क्या सुबह से ओले पड़ रहे हैं? Has ओले, we will take ओले as singular. Okay, has it been hailing? What is ole padna? Ole padna means hailing, HAILING. Has it been hailing since morning? Why are we using since over here? Because time name is given now, subah. Now come to the question mark. Don't forget to put question mark at the end of your English sentences also. Now come to the next sentence. तुलबा 2 दिन से स्कूल नहीं आ रहे हैं. There must be है present over here to end it properly. तुलबा 2 दिन से स्कूल नहीं आ रहे हैं. It's a negative sentence. So students, there are so many students, so we are going to use have. Students have not been coming to school for 2 days. Okay, time number is given, that's why we are using for. Now look at the next sentence. क्या तुम सुबह से वर्जिश कर रहे हो? It's a question sentence now and time is given and rahe ho is given. Okay, so how are you going to convert it in English sentence? Present perfect continuous type. How are you going to translate into English? क्या तुम सुबह से वर्जिश कर रहे हो? Have, because you, we will use have plural helping verb with you and I. So we are going to use have. Have you been exercising since morning? Question mark. Okay. Now coming to the new sentence. लड़की 2 बजे से रो रही है. Girl, the girl is singular now. So we are going to use has. Girl has been crying, rahi hai, crying for, no, baje is there. Girl has been crying since 2 o'clock. Okay, since 2 o'clock. Baje is given, that's why baje is o'clock. And I've told you that when baje comes in the sentence, you use since, preposition since. Okay, now coming to another sentence. क्या हुजूम दोपहर से नारे लगा रहा है? It's a question sentence ending in रहा है and time is also given. क्या हुजूम दोपहर से नारे लगा रहा है? What do you call हुजूम? Yes, very good. So many of you have written crowd. Yeah, crowd will be there. Not gathering. No, not gathering. It's a crowd. हुजूम is crowd. The proper word will be crowd. क्या हुजूम दोपहर से नारे लगा रहा है? And what is नारे? What is नारे? Yes, slogans. Very good. नारे is slogans. And नारे लगाना, shouting slogans. Yes, नारे लगाना means shouting slogans. Now let's convert it into English sentence. How? क्या हुजूम दोपहर से नारे लगा रहा है? क्या हुजूम दोपहर से नारे लगा रहा है? has the crowd been shouting slogans since afternoon? Because time name is given dopaher, afternoon. That's why we are using since over here. Now coming to the next sentence, तालाब में मेंढक शाम से नहीं टरा रहे हैं. What is तालाब? Yes, talab is pond. Very good. It's smaller than jheel. Jheel is lake, and a pond is smaller than lake. Pond is smaller than lake, and it is talab. Okay. झील से छोटी क्या चीज होती है? तालाब. और लेक से छोटी चीज क्या होती है? झील इज लेक. तो लेक से छोटी चीज होती है पॉन्ड. ओके. तालाब में मेंढक शाम से नहीं टरा रहे हैं. It's a negative sentence ending in rahe hain, and we know that talab is pond. So we are what and tara rahe hain. What is tara rahe hain? What is this? Is the sound of the frogs. So what it is called? Tara rahe hain. What is tarana means in English? How will you translate it? Come on, tell me. Yes. Anyone? Write in the chat. Come on. Don't know? You must be knowing the sounds of the animals also, okay? Tarana means croaking, because the sound of the frog is bit like croaking. So we are going to use the word croaking, C-R-O-A-K-I-N-G, croaking, okay? So तालाब में मेंढक शाम से नहीं टरा रहे हैं. Frogs have not been, not are over here, because it's not a normal continuous sentence. There's a time present over here, so it's a present perfect continuous sentence. So let's go. Frogs. There are so many frogs, so we are going to use have over here. Frogs have not been. It's a negative sentence also. Frogs have not been croaking in the pond since evening. Why we have used since? Because time name is given over here. Coming to the last sentence, students. क्या पाकिस्तान 1986 से तरक्की कर रहा है? Students, it's a question sentence, and it's ending in raha hai. Again, it's a perfect continuous sentence. Why perfect continuous? Because time is also given over here, and year date is given. So we are going to use since. And what is the translation of tarakki? What do you say, tarakki? Yes, very good, Jaberia. So tarakki means developing. Very good. To develop. Yes. So how are we going to translate it? क्या पाकिस्तान 1986 से तरक्की कर रहा है? Has. Pakistan is singular. It's a singular country. So we are going to use has. Has Pakistan been developing since 1986? Okay, students. So here we complete our activity, and I hope you have understood it very well, how to detect perfect continuous sentences and how to translate them effectively into English. Okay, now come to the next slide. Yes, now let's do the recap, revision of all the tenses. Of all the present tenses, we are doing the revision over here. Now, in the first tense, present indefinite tense, we will use first form main verb or present form main verb in the sentence. There is only present form verb in the present indefinite sentence. But when we change the normal present indefinite sentence where present verb is present into negative or question sentence, then we have to use helping verbs do or does. Otherwise, in the normal sentence, there are no helping verb in the present indefinite tense. Okay. Now come to the next type, present continuous tense. The present and time, and also students, I want to add another thing in the present indefinite tense, that time can be present. Okay, time can be present like always, like what you can say now. Okay, time can be present in such kind of words. Through by such kind of words you can see time in the present indefinite sentence. But coming to the next type, present continuous tense, this in this type, this is the only type, students, I have repeated it so many times. This is the only type, continuous type, where you can never find time. And what are the helping verbs in the sentences of present continuous tense? You will use am, is, are only, and main helping verb must have ing with it, showing the continuity of the work. Okay. So coming to the third type, present perfect tense. So present perfect tense, students, as you can see, we call it present perfect tense because time is completed in the present time. That's why we use the helping verbs has or have in present perfect sentences where time has been completed, and the main verb will be in third form. Why are we using this third form in the present perfect tense? Because work has been completed. So this third form tells us, indicate that time has been completed, and has, have helping verbs tell us that the time work has been completed in the present time. This shows the presence of the tense. Okay. Now come to the last type, which we have studied today very elaborately, very what you can say in a detailed way. Let's come to the last type, and that is present perfect continuous tense. And in this tense, because two types have been combined together, so you will find the helping verbs of the perfect tense has and have in it, and the continuous verb form ing in this type. And how are we going to differentiate this type from these other two types, perfect, present perfect and present continuous? How are we going to differentiate? How are we going to set apart this last type from these two types? By putting another helping verb been over here. This helping verb, this additional helping verb clearly differentiates this last type from these two types which are combined together in this last type. So we will use two helping verbs over here, as or have and been, and verb form will be in ing form, and there must always be present some time, some kind of time in this last type. Time is necessary, is compulsory, is mandatorily present in this last type with the preposition of since and for. So in present perfect tense also, time can also be present over there, like before, like after, like already, like just. These are the words which show time. So time can be present in the first type, present indefinite. Time can be present in the third type, present perfect. And time is always present in the last type, present perfect continuous tense. Okay. So here we end our lesson, students. I hope you have understood it quite well, and we have successfully completed the four types of present tense, and the time of the period is almost ending. So students, I will take a leave over here, and we are going to meet again in the next class with a new topic. And for now, I am okay. I am